Hello everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to access Fashion Chain's e-commerce website. If you are a Mac owner or maybe a Windows owner, Windows laptop owner, all you have to do is open your browser. It could be Safari or it could be Chrome or any other browser. Open it and in your URL address box, type fashion chain dot info. That's FASHION dot info. And this is our main page. So if you look at it, if you look at our menu, we have different sections here. And if you want to shop the products that are available in our e-commerce store, then all you have to do is just click on this cart here, or you can also click on the cart here, which says eShop. So let's click on the eShop link. As you click on the link, as you can see, we have listed a couple of really beautiful designs by the fashion designer, the Must Have collection. They are from Lithuania. And it's all available for you to have a look at it, and you can also purchase it on this site. So let me explain a little bit about the different features that we have available on this website. As you can see on the left side, we have a filter by option where you can filter by specific collection or by the fashion designer or the luxury brand. As of now, we have listed only the must have collection, and that's the reason we don't have any other options available here. So this must have collection is from Lithuania, and if you click on it, it will display all the designs from this collection, the must have collection. And as you look at the screen here, you'll find roughly around 7 new collections that the must have collection has released very recently. You can also filter by the price. All you have to do is click on the plus sign here, and you'll get a range of pricing. And so you can just slide this slide bar to reduce the price or increase the price as per your requirements. And let's say if I make it 100 euros, so yeah, we have designs for less than 100 euros, and we also have collections for 160. So anyway, this is the way in which you can filter by the price. You can also filter by the color. So as of now, we have 3 color options available. If you click on the green, you will find that there is one collection that's available in green color. Likewise, black, you will find there will be one black. Let's look at the size options that are available. We have different size ranges. The large and XL, the medium, the small and XSL. So this is how you filter the products on our e-commerce store. You can also sort by a few other parameters. Like for instance, you can sort these collections by the price from low to high. You can sort it by high to low. You can also sort by the name, the starting letter of the collection name. So let's say, for instance, you're looking for low to high, and if you just click on this, it will display in the clockwise order, low to high collections. So now that you have filtered the collections as per your requirements, let's see how you can browse through our website and look at the collection in detail. For instance, look at this bathrobe. It looks really nice, and I want to know more about it. So you just have to click on this image here, and Then we provide the details of the product. So on the right side, we have explained about the must-have collection or any other collection or fashion designer for that matter. It will be available here. And a little bit about the product details is available in this section here. And as you can see, the collection that we have right now here, this is a bathrobe, and it's made out of soft velour. The composition is 70% polyester, 20% cotton, and 10% spandex. The color is ash rose. And we also have certain specific instructions that are provided by the brand or the designer. And for instance, if you want customized initials on these bathrobes, then it's possible for an additional 10 euros. Individual orders are non-exchangeable and non-refundable. So basically, the specific instructions or terms and conditions, they are placed under the please note heading here. This applies to all the collections that we have listed on our e-commerce. Now let's, if you want to look at this specific bathrobe from different angles or different, viewpoints, then we have multiple images available here. So for instance, if you click on this, you'll find that the um, bathrobe in a different angle altogether. But it will give you an idea of how it looks, and it looks gorgeous actually on this model. I'm sorry. So this way, when you click on a specific image, it will display it in different angles. This is the logo of Must Have collection here, right here. Now let's say that you like this particular bathrobe and you want to purchase it. You can then go ahead and select the size that you want from this drop down here. So let's say you are slim and you want to purchase a small size. You can select on this. You can select how many other quantities you want. It could be one or it could be 10. You can just specify it here. And then you just add to the cart. When you click on add to the cart, I already had added one beach Laguana, uh, beachwear earlier in my cart. So that's also available here. And I have the bathrobe that we just added here. So we have two products in our cart. And let's say I want to purchase both of them. The subtotal is 249.80 euros. I just click on view cart, and that will take me straight to the cart. And over here, if we occasionally we might provide certain promo codes, or you might have some partners, business partners, or your company might have provided some promo code for our products that are listed on our e-commerce. You can just apply it here by clicking on enter a promo code. And if you have any specific instructions to the fashion designer or the brand, you can add it here in the through the add note. So once you're done with all of that, you can go ahead and check out. So when you check out, click on checkout. And all you have to do is provide your email address. Let me just type in our email ID. And first name, your first name and last name. And then please make sure you provide the right, the correct address. So I'm going to type in my name, the first name, last name, the address, and my contact number. and then I click on continue. The delivery method, it really depends on your location. So because we are an e-commerce website which provides services to customers all around the world, you might be sitting in United States of America and ordering, the product from our site. You might be in India and you might be ordering some collections. So it depends. The shipping or the delivery method really depends on where you are currently, and the closer you are from the designer, then you can expect free shipping for those products. But if you are in some other country, then there might be certain taxes and import duties that the designer will be applying on your order, and which will be available here when you are trying to check out. So don't panic if, in case if in your specific order you are being charged for the delivery method. In this case, it is free, but it's possible that you'll be charged some money for the shipping and logistics and the import duties. So once you are done with this, click on continue. And the way we are operating at the moment is that we want to make sure that we provide the best quality apparels and fashion products to you. And so the fashion designers and brands which we have listed as of now, they are producing in very small quantities, and they are made to order. So which means that only once we know that there is a requirement for these products, at that point they will start manufacturing, and then they will deliver it to your location. This is to ensure top quality and sustainability of the product as well as their business. So basically now what will happen is, once you submit this order, we will forward this to our designer and the luxury brand partner, and they will have a look at your order. They will then confirm that this is available, and then we will send you the link where you can make the payment. So the actual payment. Once you have made the payment and it is confirmed, only after that our designers will start manufacturing, or if they already have a piece available, they will ship it to you directly. So that is how the business model is operating as of now. And this particular section here, it provides that explanation that once you place the order, we will confirm whether this product is available, and then once we confirm your payment, then only we will ship the product to you. Under billing address, you might have the same. Your billing address might be same as the shipping address that you mentioned here, or it might be different. If it is different, all you have to do is untick this, and then you can retype, the billing address. If it is the same, all you have to do is just click on this checkbox here, and then click on continue. Once all of that is done, we come to the review and place order. This is just to ensure that whatever order that you have placed in the cart is what you want. And once you confirm this, then we will then send this order to the designer and the brand. So let's go ahead and place the order. Okay, so your order is done, and basically this is a receipt for your order. You have to keep this. We'll also email it to you. Let me show you how. So let me log into my email address, and sometimes your the order that you placed, it may not be directly in your inbox. So in those cases, make sure you check your spam folder or the newsletter folder or the notification folder. In my case, I have received it in the notification folder over here, and there you go. This is my receipt. And this is just a confirmation of the order that we just placed, and with the specific instructions on what will happen after this order. And this is the amount that we are going to charge you, and that's about it. So after this, what will happen is we receive this order from our end in our e-commerce portal, and then we will forward it to the fashion designer or the luxury brand that is relevant for the products that you have placed. And then once we get a confirmation from them, we will send you a payment link, and you got to pay through that link. Once you have made the payment and confirm, at that point we will, the fashion designer or the luxury brand, they will directly ship you the products to you. So if you have any queries or any grievances or any complaints related to the products that you have already received from us, then you got to contact the fashion designer or the luxury brand directly, because they are fulfilling this order. So that's about our e-commerce shop. I hope you loved this video. If you loved this video, please make sure you like the video at the bottom of this page. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a very nice and pleasant day.